Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the stock category, stock group and stock items in Tally. Here the stock category, stock group and stock items that comes under inventory info menu. Under gateway of Tally, go to inventory info. Here we can see stock group and the stock item. Usually the stock group and stock item will be displaying on inventory info menu, and to display the stock category, we have to go to features. For that, we need to press F11 key. Here we can see the button features. Click here under F11 features, or simply we can press F11, the function key F11. Here we can see company features. Here you go to inventory features. Here in inventory features, under storage and classification, maintain stock category. This option is no here. You make it as yes. When you type yes here, automatically that stock category will be displaying under inventory info menu. I have made it as S. Then press enter key, and at the end accept by pressing Y or enter key. Now press escape. Here under gateway of Tally, go to inventory info. Now we can see stock group, stock category and stock items. Here the first thing, let us know what is stock item. Here stock item is nothing but it is a goods that a company manufactures or trades. Trades means the company is going to sell or buy. For example, if we are having a company that is going to manufacture televisions, then that television is becomes stock item. Suppose we are a wholesaler or retailer, we buy different kinds of televisions from a company, then we sell those televisions to the customer, then the television becomes a stock item. Suppose you are having a car showroom and we are going to sell different kinds of cars, then that car becomes a stock item. Stock item is nothing but any goods that is going to be manufactured by a company, or that good is going to be sold, or it is going to be purchased. Whatever you sell or purchase, or whatever a company manufactures, that is called as stock item. For example, televisions, mobile phone, pen, pencil, all those becomes a stock item. And what is stock group and stock category? This is a little bit confusing. What is stock group and stock category? Here, the stock category offers the parallel classification of stock items. For example, here the stock category means the stock item which are of the same category, that is called as stock category, or which is also called as a parallel classification of stock items is called as stock category. For example, let us take an example of television. Television means, suppose 21-inch television, 19-inch television and 32-inch television, those becomes a stock category. Stock category means that is nothing but which are of the same category. 21-inch television of any company, whether it is manufactured by Sony, Philips, LG, all those will be the stock category. 21-inch is an example, 29-inch, 32-inch, 55-inch, all those are the stock categories. Here, then stock group. Here, stock group means it is done based on the similar behavior. Similar behavior means that are belongs to which company. For example, a stock group is usually going to be identified by the company or brand which is going to manufacture. That is called as a stock group. Okay, the LG, Sony, Philips, all those becomes the stock groups. Now let us discuss how to create stock group, stock category and stock items. Here under gateway of Tally, go to inventory info. Here click on stock group, and Here we come across two things. One is a single stock group and another one is a multiple stock group. Here under single stock group, click on create. Then we can see the stock group creation screen. Here under stock group creation screen, type the brand which manufactures TV. For example, LG. Here select primary, and should quantities of items be added, you make it as S. Whenever you make it as S, then later you can add the quantities of those stock groups. Next, I am going to create another stock group as Sony, Philips. Like this, we are going to create a stock group. To alter or modify stock group, what we need to do is we have to go to Gateway of Tally. Under Gateway of Tally, select Inventory Info. In Inventory Info menu, select Stock Group. To view the stock group, we can click on display and it will display the list of stock groups which we have already created. Here to view, select the stock group which you want to view. I am going to select Sony, then press enter key to view the selected stock group. When you press enter, the Sony stock group will be seen on the screen. Here only we can see the stock group which is created. We cannot modify or we cannot delete it. Okay, we can modify it under alter option. To modify any stock group, what we need to do is press escape until you see the gateway of tally. Here go to inventory info under gateway of tally. Then in stock group there is a third option called alter. Here you click on alter. Here it will show the list of stock groups which are already created. Here you select the stock group which you want to alter. I am going to select Sony. Here you make necessary changes. For example, in alias means it is an alternative name. Here I am going to add Sony televisions. It is an optional field. You can add or you can leave it as empty. I am going to give an alternative name for the stock group Sony as Sony televisions. Then press enter key. At the end, you press Y or enter key to accept the changes. Now, to modify the stock group, what we need to do is we have to go to gateway of Tally. Under gateway of Tally, select the second option, that is inventory info. Here, click on stock group and select alter option from single stock group. Here it will show the list of televisions or stock groups which are already created. I am going to select Sony. Then I'll press enter key. When you press enter key, it will display in stock group alteration screen. Here we can press Alt D to delete this stock group. Alt D is a shortcut key to delete the stock group or anything in Tally. Whenever anything opens in alteration screen, Alt D is the shortcut key to delete. Here I am pressing Alt D. Then it will ask for the confirmation, delete yes or no. To confirm deletion, you can press Y or enter key. Then that stock group has been deleted from the list of stock group. Again, to create stock group, what are the steps? In gateway of Tally, go to inventory info. Under inventory info menu, select stock groups. Here under single stock group, click on create. Here type the name of the stock group. Then alias means it is an alternative name for the stock group that you can type or you can leave it as empty. It is not a compulsory field. It is an optional field that you can type or you can leave it as empty. Then I am going to create it under a primary stock groups. Then should quantities of items be added, I will make it as yes, so that later we can add the quantities of these stock groups. Then press Y or enter at the end to accept stock group creation. Now the stock group has been created. Then we can create stock categories also. We can create, display and alter and delete the stock category. I have said you already, the stock group is nothing but that is a company which manufactures is called as stock group, or we can also say it as a based on similar behavior. The similarity in behavior will be the stock group. Now we are going to create a stock category. To create stock category is nothing but where stock category is basically the stock items which belong to the different stock group but possesses same category. For example, different stock group means a TV of 21 inch that can be of any stock category. For example, that can be of any stock group, whether it is a Sony, LG, or whether it is a Philips, all the 21-inch televisions will comes under one category, that is called as a stock category. To create stock category, what we need to do is under gateway of tally, go to inventory info. In inventory info menu, select the second option, that is stock category. Here under single, you can create stock category. Here I am going to type 21-inch TV. Alias name is nothing but the alternative name for this stock category which we are going to create. It is an optional field. You can type or you can leave it as empty. Then under here I am going to select primary. Then at the end we have to select Y, or we can press enter key to accept the stock category creation. 21-inch television I have created. Again, if you want to create any other stock category, what we need to do is in gateway of tally, select the second option, that is inventory info, and here go to stock category, and under single stock category click on create. Now we can see the stock category creation screen. 21-inch I have already selected. Now 32-inch television I am going to type the second stock category, that is 32-inch television. Alias means alternative name that we can give or we can leave it as empty. Then under here we have to select primary. Then at the end we can press Y or enter key to accept stock category creation. Okay, we have created two stock categories, that is 21 and 32-inch TV. To display the stock category which is created, to do that one, what we need to do is under gateway of tally, go to inventory info. Here in inventory info, select the second option, that is stock categories, and under single stock category you select display option. Now we can see the list of stock categories which are already created. I have created two stock categories, that is 21-inch TV and 32-inch TV. Here I am going to select one to display that 32-inch TV. I am going to select, then press enter key. Now we can see the stock category display screen. Here it will only displays the stock category which is created. We cannot edit or we cannot delete. Any alteration or deletion is not possible when a stock category is in display screen. To make any changes or alter, then we need to select alter option. To do that one, again it will start from gateway of tally. In gateway of tally, go to inventory info, then select stock categories. Here to make any changes or alter stock category, then select the third option, that is alter from single stock category. When you select alter, then it will display the list of stock categories which have been already created. See, I will select 32-inch TV and press enter key to open it in the alteration screen. When you press enter key, the stock category alteration screen opens on the screen. Now you can make any changes here. I am going to make a change in name, that is instead of 32-inch TV, I am going to type full name, that is television. 32-inch television. Then I have made a change in the name. Then at the end we can press Y or enter key to accept the changes made. Now see here, earlier it was a 32-inch TV. Now I have made it as a television. So the changes have been applied here. Again, if you want to make any changes in any of the other cost category, stock category, then we need to go to inventory info under gateway of tally. Then select the option stock categories. Here to alter, select the third option under single stock category, that is alter. Here it will display the stock categories which have already created. So I am going to make changes in 21-inch TV. So select the stock category which you want to make changes, 21-inch stock category. Then here instead of TV I am going to type a full name, that is 21-inch television, and at the end we have to accept by pressing a Y or enter key. Now we have created two stock categories. To delete the stock category, what we need to do is under gateway of tally, go to inventory info and select the option stock categories under inventory info menu. Here, to delete the stock category, we cannot see any delete option in tally. What we need to do is we have to select alter option from single stock category. Here it will show the list of stock categories that have been created. Here select the stock category which you want to delete. I want to delete 21-inch television, so I am selecting 21-inch television, then press enter key. Now press shortcut key, that is Alt D, to delete. When you press Alt D, it will ask you to delete yes or no. It will ask for the confirmation. When you press enter or Y, the stock category will be deleted. Now I want to delete 32-inch television also. To do that one, what are the steps for deletion? Go to gateway of tally, then select the second option, that is inventory info, then select stock categories under inventory info, then select alter under single stock category, then it will show the list of stock categories. Select the stock category which you want to delete and press enter key. When you press enter key, the stock category opens in stock category alteration screen. To delete, press Alt D. Then it will ask for the confirmation. Here you can press Y or enter key to confirm deletion. Now the stock category has been deleted. To create stock category, the same step has to be followed. Inventory info, then stock category, under single stock category, create, and here you type the name for that stock category, 21-inch television, and I'm going to create another one, that is 31-inch television. Two stock categories we have created. Now let us discuss how to create stock items in tally. Here, to create a stock item, what we need to do is we have to click on or select inventory info under gateway of tally. After that, go to stock items in inventory info menu. Here under single stock item, you can select create. Now it is called as stock item creation screen. Here what we can do is we can select the stock item. For example, I am going to select LCD TV as a stock item, 32-inch LCD TV as a stock item. Then go to under you can select from which group this 32-inch LCD TV comes. For example, we have 20 LG LCD TVs of 32-inch, then you select under stock group LG, then category it will comes under 32-inch television. There are two types of categories, one is 21 and another one is 32. I am going to select 32-inch television, and here units of measure, TV cannot comes in bags or kgs. So numbers, TV we can mention in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So unit of measure, I am going to select number. Then rate of duty, that is a tax, that I am going to leave it as empty. Then opening balance, suppose you have a opening balance of 10, 20 or 30, 32-inch LCD televisions, then you can add the quantity. For example, I am going to add 10. I have a 10 32-inch LCD TVs, so I am adding 10. And rate per TV, per television, how much is the rate? For example, if the rate is 23,000, I am going to add 23,000. Then press enter key. Then automatically it will calculate. For 10 television, the total value will be 2,30,000. It will be calculated. Then press enter key and press enter key. At the end, you can accept by pressing Y or enter key. This is how we have created a stock item. Then we can create stock item in multiple. For example, to do that one, what we need to do is under gateway of tally, go to inventory info, then select stock items, then under multiple stock items, click on create. Here under you select all items, then here serial number that will be displaying automatically. The first stock item we have to create. For example, I am going to create a 32-inch LCD TV that I have already created. So it will asking to enter the different stock item. 32-inch LED TV under LG under 32-inch. Here the units of measure will be number. If you want to add the quantity as opening balance, you can add. Otherwise, you can leave it as empty. Then second one is 21-inch LED TV. This also I am going to add it as a LG. Then it comes under 21-inch television. It also be measured in terms of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So like that we can add any number of televisions. Here I am going to add 21-inch LCD TV. I'm going to add it from as Philips. Then it is a 21-inch television. So category I'm going to select 21-inch. It is also measured in terms of numbers. So select number here. Then press enter key. Like that you can go on adding the stock items. Here we can also add stock items like cement. For example, if you want to create a cement, we can add it in primary account. Here also not applicable. Here in terms of bags of 25 kg, we can measure cement in bags of 25 kg each. Suppose if you have the opening balance, you can add here 10 bag cement I have. Each bag cost is 450 rupees. One cement bag is 450. Then total amount will be automatically calculated as 4,500. Like this, we can create any number of stock items at a time in multiple stock item creation screen. And if you finished entering the stock item, just press enter key to skip. Here it is displaying the fifth serial number. If you finished entering stock items, press enter key and it will ask you to accept. Here you can type Y or enter key to accept the creation of stock items. Like this, we can create stock items, we can display or we can alter. To display the stock item, select display under single stock item. Here select any of the stock item which you want to display. So here we can see the stock item which is already created. If you want to modify, you can go to alter option. Alter option is used to modify the stock item. Here to alter or modify stock item, what we need to do is we can go to inventory info under gateway of tally, then select stock item, go to alter under single stock item and select the stock item which you want to modify. I am going to select cement here and press enter key. When you press enter key, the stock item alteration screen opens. Here you can make any changes. Bag of 25 kg, instead of that only we can select bag. Then quantity I am going to add 10 bags. 450 rupees I am going to change it into 350 rupees. One bag 350 rupees per bag. Then automatically the value will change, that is 3,500 rupees. Then press enter key. Select Y or enter key to accept. Now the stock item has been modified. To delete the stock item, the steps are under gateway of tally, go to inventory info. Then here in inventory info menu, select stock items. Here to delete there is no delete option. So under single stock item, select alter. Here it will show the list of stock items which have created. Select the stock item which you want to delete. I am going to delete cement. So select cement and press enter key. When you press enter key after selecting the stock item, the stock item alteration screen opens. Here we can press Alt D to delete. Alt D is a shortcut key to delete. So press Alt D. Then it will ask for the confirmation. To confirm deletion, press Y or enter key. Now the cement has been deleted from the list of stock items. This is how we are going to create, alter, display and delete stock groups, stock categories and stock items. This is about the stock category, stock group and stock items in Tally ERP 9.